The WHO says that between 2030 and 2050, in 2 decades, the expected lives that can be lost due to climate change is 250,000 lives annually. Now this is a big figure. Pakistan, on its part, contributes less than 1% of carbon emissions. And when it comes to suffering the devastating consequences of climate change, we are in the top 10 countries. Now it's time that when we talk about climate change, we must talk about climate justice. Countries which have more contribution towards fossil fuel combustion, towards carbon emissions, they owe more responsibility towards the nations which have lesser contribution to carbon emissions. We've seen recently 2 devastating floods. The floods of 2022, we saw the devastation caused in KPK, starting from Bunair going up till Swat. We saw the devastation caused in Punjab. We saw the devastation caused in Sindh. And who can forget the mighty flood in the mighty river Indus in 2010? Every few years, lives are lost, livelihoods are lost, and people suffer, and due to no fault of their own. So how can we play our role with regard to awareness? I believe that there are several aspects to awareness. The United Nations framework on climate change and its Kyoto Protocol already has Article 6, which says that all member states are obligated not only to raise awareness, but to include climate change in their syllabus, in their educational programs.